Okay, good morning. We are doing our powers of a monomial, and we had some notes this morning. Powers of a monomial. We are on day 3 of the exponents. Okay, here are the notes basically, and if you need to pause the screen in order to take them, that is fine. Basically, what is going on is this 2 is distributed towards every piece that is inside the parentheses. So you will have 4 squared x to the 2 times 3 is 6. Anytime they are on top of each other like that with a parenthesis, you go ahead and multiply. Okay, if you had written this out using your exponents, you would have had 4x to the third times 4x to the third. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16. 3 plus 3 is 6. And so you see the end result is the same. All right, going on. Hopefully, we are moving on along here. We have more of these, and I have to erase just real quick. So some of our other examples are included here, and I'm just going to run through them fairly quickly. 2 times 5, that would give us x to the 10th. Okay, number 2 here, that's a 3 on the outside, so that 3 gets distributed to each piece. So you will have c to the 3rd, d to the 6th. And that is because of this parenthesis here. Anytime you're touching a parenthesis, you're going to multiply. Number 3, this 4 is on the outside, so just write them down on the outside to deal with in a minute. To the 3rd, m to the 3rd, n to the 12th. And that is what you have. Now, there was a parenthesis right here and here. You took care of that part, but that 4 is on the outside still. So it's negative 4, m to the 3rd, negative 4, n to the 12th. Because once again, your distributive property. Last but not least over here, 2 to the 5th would be 32, I believe. X to the 10th, y to the 5th. All right, I'm going to pause this, and that way I can get the other 2 sets of examples on the next part. Stay tuned for part 2.